Good afternoon. I'm Charles Pope, Carroll County Public Works Director for Carroll County, Georgia. Appreciate y'all's interest in some of our surplus equipment. We're going to be going through the vehicles by lot numbers, and we will explain where they run or not. This vehicle is lot number 9. It's a 1993 Ford Ranger with a 4-cylinder 2.3 liter engine. Lot number 10 is a 1994 Ford Ranger 4-cylinder 2.3 liter engine. Lot number 10, 1995 Ford F-150 6-cylinder 4.9 liter engine. Lot number 12 is a 1997 Ford F-150 V8 4.6 liter. Lot number 13 is a 1997 Ford F-150 not running. Is a 2000 Ford F-150. The engine is V6 4.2 liter. It runs good, but the transmission don't shift right in it. Lot number 15 is a 2002 Ford F-150 V8 5.4 liter. Lot number 16, 2000 Ford F-250 4-wheel drive with a V8 7.3 liter turbo diesel engine. Lot number 17 is a 2000 Ford F-250 4-wheel drive with a V8 7.3 liter turbo engine. Lot number 18 is a 2003 Ford F-250 4x4 engine in the V8 6.0 liter. Lot number 19 is a 2010 Ford F-250 4-wheel drive with a V8 6.4 liter. Lot number 20 is a 1997 F-350 flatbed truck. Engine runs, but no, the transmission's bad in it, with a V8 7.3 liter. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Carroll County Board of Commissioners, we want to thank y'all for being interested in some of our surplus equipment. We just wanted to go through all this and tell you about their equipment, where it run or didn't run. So y'all more than welcome to call my office at 770-830-5901. They look at this equipment or the trucks at any time between now and the end of the sale.